There is no time to horse around in Alberta if you don't have a will. Listen to these few points on spousal or a surviving partner's course of action without a will. Living in Alberta without a will. Without a will, the surviving spouse or adult interdependent partner inherits the entire estate in Alberta. Whether the couple has children or not, this is how it works. If the deceased or surviving partner has children from a previous relationship, however, the surviving partner is entitled to either half of the estate or $150,000, whichever is larger. In this and all other cases, Alberta's Wills and Succession Act determines how the remainder is dispersed. If you choose to act with different intentions regarding your will, then you need an attorney-directed will. Contact us now for advice that will help your family now before it could be too late.